In this tutorial, we'll review how to use the assignment feature on StockTrak. Let's go step by step to create and manage your class assignments. Let's start by logging into your professor account. First, to access your class assignments, go to the Admin tab on the main menu. To create a new assignment, click Create New Assignment. Right below, you have the option to view your existing assignments or edit them. From the Create Assignment page, you'll start by giving your assignment a name. This is what your students will see on their dashboard. Students will only be able to complete the assignment between the start and end dates you specify. After the end date has passed, your students will no longer receive credit for completing the pop quizzes. After you've created your first assignment, you'll be able to set it as a prerequisite for your subsequent ones. You can also reward students for completing assignments by setting an amount of money that will be automatically added to their portfolio after completing all the tasks in the assignment. If you've created assignments in the past, you can reuse your lesson selection by clicking Copy Older Assignment. A window will pop up with all your previous sessions or tournaments in a drop-down menu on the left. You'll need to select the tournament first, then the applicable assignment to load up the lessons into your new one. You'll see the list populate below. Click Copy to load them into your assignment. To quickly select a whole list of tasks, click Select All Tasks, and similarly, you can allow students to retake the self-grading quizzes by clicking Select All Retries. If you change your mind, the button beside will deselect the list. Please note that the tutorial videos do not include pop quizzes. Therefore, these will not be included when you click Select All Retries. For each lesson, you'll see a time tracker beside each lesson that shows you the average time it takes to complete. You can quickly select and sort all the lessons that cover a specific topic by typing the keyword in the search box. Click Clear to remove this filter and return to the full list. You can quickly toggle through the units by clicking the I button to collapse or expand each section. The assignments on StockTrak include lessons on investing, personal finance, economics, career prep, accounting, management, and marketing, mathematics, and spreadsheets. We also have an Investing 101 course with chapter exams and vocabulary quizzes. You can assign the whole course or pick and choose individual chapters to include in your assignment. You can review what is included in each lesson by clicking View that will open it as a new tab. At the bottom of the Learning Library, we have listed all the trading actions you can include in your assignment as well. For instance, you can require your students complete a specific number of trades in a type of security like stocks or ETFs, mutual funds, or corporate bonds. You can require your students perform specific types of orders like a limit order, stop order, or a trailing stop. We also have advanced trading tasks under the Options and Derivatives section. If you've enabled international exchanges, you'll also have the option to require a certain number of trades per exchange. We recommend starting with the tasks from the Stock Game Beginner lessons that include basic glossary terms, tutorials, and guides for making their first stock trades. We also recommend helping pace your students through your course by creating shorter assignments over 2-week periods. Once you've selected all the tasks you want to include, scroll back to the top of the page and click Create Assignment to complete your assignment. After that, if you want to make edits, click Edit Assignment or immediately create your next assignment by clicking Create New Assignment. Once you've finished creating your assignments, you can view the assignment's report card by either clicking Report Card from the drop-down menu at the top of the page or by going to the Reports menu. To view individual student grades, click Assignment Student Progress Report. From here, you can see the overall grade per student. To see more information, click View Assignment Details, where you'll see the progress per lesson, as well as the number of times they've taken the quiz, how much time they spent on the assignment, and their grade. At the top of this window, you'll see a progress bar for how far the student has come to complete the assignment. If you want to see the student view, go to Dashboard under the Dashboard menu, and then select Switch to User Dashboard. When students log in, they can see their assignments as the first widget on the student dashboard. By clicking Show Task, students can see all the lessons they need to complete in the assignment. Clicking Do Task will take them to the lesson, tutorial video, or the appropriate trading page to complete that task. Thanks for watching.